Dharmaj Crop Guard Ltd, an agrochemicals manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2015 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2022. They are based in Gujarat with more than 400 employees. They have one manufacturing plant located in Ahmedabad with a production capacity of 25,500 metric tons per annum. Company has set up a new manufacturing plant in Bharuch with production capacity of 8,000 metric tons per annum, which is backward integrated into the main plant. The market cap of the company is 780 crore rupees and currently trading at 231 rupees per share. The company has a 40% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 45% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company offers products like insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, micro-fertilizer, plant growth regulator, and antibiotic. Company ships these products into its well-known brands in the agrochemical sector. About 27% of the revenue is generated from business to customer mix. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Some clients of the company are Atul Ltd, Innovative Agritech, Made Money Industries, Bharat Rasayan, Crystal Crop Protection, Rallies India, Oasis Ltd, Hemani Industries, Heramba Industries, and more. Top 10 clients contribute about 22% of the total revenue. Coming to some key highlights. Company has 392 registrations for agrochemical formulations from the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee. The business mix of the company is 27% from business to client and 73% from business to business. They have a strong network of more than 4,800 distributors. In February 2024, the credit rating of the company was upgraded by Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. Company has more than 70 international clients and 730 domestic clients. They export to more than 26 countries, from Latin America, East African countries, Middle East, and East Asia, with a revenue concentration of 10% from exports and 90% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.